Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware compatibility and preparing drivers. Plug the USB cable between the internet source and your target device. Once done, unlock settings on both devices and allow any permission prompts. On the source device, enable USB tethering or plug in the USB Ethernet adapter, then wait for the host to detect new hardware. You'll see a device install notification. Make sure to accept driver installation, if prompted, so the operating system can create a network interface for bridging. Now configure the detected USB network interface so packets can flow. Open Network Settings and select the newly created USB Ethernet or tethering adapter. If DHCP is available, allow automatic addressing. Otherwise, assign a static IP, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS so the devices are on the same subnet. Once assigned, enable internet connection sharing or configure NAT on the source device so the target can reach the internet. Make sure firewall rules aren't blocking forwarding, and test connectivity with a ping or browser request. To finish, confirm you have internet access by loading a website or pinging 888. Monitor the interface status for transmit and receive activity. If nothing works, unplug and reconnect the cable, restart both devices, or reinstall the adapter drivers to clear a stalled interface. If the host shows a USB connection but no network, make sure USB mode is set to tethering or Ethernet rather than file transfer. Key troubleshooting tip: swap cables and try another USB port to rule out power or hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.